Yes, just a quick one on the 200K funded account that I've been trading. This month has really been rough for me. And I was up last night by $2,000, only for me to wake up this morning. And then I started rushing into some trades, which actually made me to have some drawdown. And when I noticed that I was now left with just $500, right, I decided to immediately request for withdrawal. As you can see, this is my payout for today from the 200K account. Actually made some losses this morning, so I decided to withdraw the remaining 500. Let me just use that one, and you can see the date and the time right here. Okay, so that's what my account has been reset back to 200K, as you can see right here. The account has been reset back to 200K. I had some losses, and I'm going to start all over again. Right, I didn't want to lose the account. I was down. Remember, I was down by more than 5% drawdown. All right, but we're able to build it back up. So we're starting afresh again. And yeah, you can see the email confirmation. This payment was made not long ago. I only requested for the withdrawal this morning, and it's not even up to 12 hours because normally it takes 12 hours or thereabouts or more. 12 to 24 hours for the withdrawal to get into your account, but this has already been paid to my account, and so far this is how much I've been able to withdraw from HyroTrader after failing a lot of accounts trading on this platform. And yeah, let's start again. Okay, let's start again. If you want to get a funded account, you want to get up to 200K to trade crypto, the link will be in the video description, right? I need more traders to join me in this challenge if you want. Anyways, the choice is yours, right? I've given instances of why you need a funded account, why you need a proven platform. The only challenge is if you cannot keep to the discipline, if you cannot keep to the rules and regulation, then it will be very difficult actually trading a funded account. But if you are ready to follow those rules, you're most welcome to go get a funded account. The link will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that. And I'm making this video just to prove to you that HyroTrader, delivers. I've made withdrawals not once, not twice, a lot of times from the platform. So each time you actually make a request for withdrawal, you can see right here that the minimum payout here is 100 USDT. So even with the 200K, once you make up to 100, you can request for a draw. My target was to actually grow this by maybe additional 10K, 20, 30K, but we'll get there, right? We'll get there. It's a gradual journey, right? The only thing I would do is to make sure that I'm holding this account with everything in me, not to lose it anytime soon, because losing this account means you are buying a new challenge and then you start struggling from evaluation, till you get funded again. Yeah, so that is it for today, guys. I just made withdrawals. We'll go again. And one thing I decided to be doing right now, every week I'm going to be making withdrawal. Any week that this account is more than 200K, whether it is by $100, as long as it is up to the minimum payout right here, I'll be withdrawing it, right? If I make 1K by the end of the week, I will request for withdrawal. If it is 2, I will request for withdrawal. If it is $100, anything from $100 and above, by the end of every week, I'll be making, because I don't want to pressure myself too much. I'll grow the account to a certain level, I'll lose it, then struggle back up again and all of that. That back and forth, I don't want to do that. If I make 10K in one day, I'm going to request for withdrawal that day, right? That is it for this video. If you are new here, you're welcome. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and join us on Telegram. If you need help, you can reach out to me on Telegram and I'll be able to assist you. That is it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, okay? And then the link to get a HyroTrader account will be in the video description. You can check out my bio for that. And you can join us on Telegram too to take advantage of all the signals we share there. I'll see you guys in the next video.